Today I'm going to show you how I've set up my Hobie Pro Angler 14 for sailing. First step is to attach a clamp to the mast. The bungee for the sail is attached to that mast permanently through this clamp. Blocks are set up on the hull through which the sheet line is run, also through an eye to avoid tackle. I remove my rod holder and replace it with a tackle block. A sheet line is run through this and it can be locked off whenever I want to. The mast is inserted into the hull without attaching the bungee to the hull as Hobie would have you do it. And when I'm ready to fish, I stow the whole lot on the side, out of the way, and I'm ready to fish. Out on the water, I install the block into the Scotty mount. I unfurl the sail and insert the mast into the hole. Tighten up the sheet and sail away. To furl the sail, undo the sheet, furl the sail by hand. The clamp holds the mast into the sail permanently so that the mast does not fall out of the sail at this point. Stow the whole lot and go fishing.